Hello, today I'm going to talk about putting our music kit together for making music classes. So as a reminder, it's terrifically important that you have an item and your child has an item. Your child has a shaker, so they shake. You have a shaker, so you can model that behavior. Your child watches you, the children across the room watch you. And if you don't do it, then they think maybe I don't need to do it. The best way to get your child to participate in class is by participating in class. So you need a shaker, your child needs a shaker. So these shakers, you can purchase shakers if you like. I have lots of supplement plastic bottles that I make my own with. You want to, if you make your own, you want to listen before you put the glue on. It doesn't need to be loud. Rice is very nice, maybe one bean, but a lot of bean and a lot of pastas, a lot of beans and a lot of pasta in a jar will be very loud. We don't need loud. What else do we need? We need jingle bells. I like the ones with Velcro because children can put them on their wrists or put them on their ankle and can march with them, have fun with that. But you don't have to do that. There are also ones that are on a stick and you can shake them. Those are okay too. Again, you need one, your child needs one. Tambourines. There are a variety of tambourines. I like these ones too. These are fun, both work. You'll also find ones that don't have the center, that are just like this. Those are okay too. Some people also use the tambourine as a drum. I'm okay with that. So if you want to use this as both your tambourine and your drum, that's just fine. Just make sure that it's like a drum. This doesn't look like a drum. If you want the tambourine to be both a tambourine and a drum, it needs to have the face on it. It needs to have the drumming area on it. What else? So, speaking of drums, drums can be made out of lots of things. I see yogurt. This is a yogurt container. Takeout food containers, ice cream containers, formula containers, coffee things. You can make them out of anything. Just pay attention that they're holding up to being hit. I was lucky and was able to cut real drumsticks in half. If you can do that, great. You don't need to. You can use spoons or chopsticks. Some people have taped or glued chopsticks together, or spoons or something like that. If you just, any of those are fine. You need one for you and you need one for your child. You need two for you and two for your child. What else do we have here? Scarves. So scarves are just pieces of cloth. If you have napkins or handkerchiefs or face cloth or socks, it doesn't matter. It just needs to be light and fun. We do many songs with moving them around and throwing them into the air and sneezing them off our heads and peekabooing through them. But again, you need one and your child needs one. If you can swing it, it's more fun if you have two and your child has two, but one is okay. Rubber chickens. Rubber chickens are fun. We're having a little bit of trouble finding them in Phnom Penh right now. If you can, great. If you can't, it's okay. I do like the littler ones better, but you can find big ones, and there's some that are in between as well. The noise is obnoxious. That's part of the fun of the class. I find the noise of the big ones sounds like children crying, and I'm not fond of that sound. So if you find this one and can't find this one, you can hold off because I'm not fond of this one. But if you can find one for you and one for your child, it's lots of fun. So why do I go crazy about one for you and one for your child? Or if you have two children, you need three. One for your child, one for your child, one for you. If you don't model, if you just sit back and do nothing, children watch that and it's an option. And I don't like giving them that option. I want them to participate. Again, the best way to get your child to participate in class, you participate, you sing, you look at me. The problem is when someone doesn't have that second item, so say for example, they only have one tambourine. They give their child the tambourine, great. And then they use jingle bells. Well, you can't drum jingle bells. You can't tap jingle bells. So it doesn't do what the song does. And if your child likes jingle bells better than the tambourine, well then I want the jingle bells. Teacher is not singing a jingle bell song. It's not the right instrument. So worst that happens is a child across the way sees this and goes, I want my jingle bells instead. And we have a meltdown. All because we didn't have two tambourines. So coming to class, we use the particular items that I say. So that's the importance of that. Class goes smoothly when we all have the right equipment. I love having equipment in class. It teaches children to take things out. And when we finish with this item, we put it away. The first few times we do that, there's a meltdown. I'm not done playing with this. They soon learn we put one thing away and we get something else out. We move on to the next. This prepares your children for all sorts of things in school, following instructions, being successful, taking care of their things, and having boundaries and all of that. I will put in the description of this video a link back to the post within the Making Music class page group on Facebook that lists where you can find many of these things. Also, if you're a crafter, Helen at Make It Arts and Crafts in Tultumpong is making most of the items that she and her boys bring to class. And so if you would like to make them, check it out, connect with her. I think I've posted a picture of some of the ones that she's made in that thread that I'm going to post here. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please ask me. We have a blast in class. I have so much fun working with your children and working with nannies and moms and dads. It's just been so much fun. So if you have questions, please ask me. If you have comments, please make comments. And until next time, see you soon.